Guys, I know I talk about the messy middle a lot, and life happens. And here's the deal about the messy middle. Sometimes your planner gets messy. Sometimes it's okay to make it messy on purpose, but sometimes it just flat out, like you spill coffee on it or something like that, you know? And so where did I put my coffee? I walked upstairs because I needed my coffee, and now I don't know where it is. Oh, found it. Coffee. Caffeine is the new black, you guys. So anyway, one day I was talking to my team. One idea that I threw out to them was this idea of offering, I know, very, very close. And now there's a double chin situation happening there. But I was talking to my team and said, you know what? I want to do a planner replacement guarantee. Like, life happens. I want to be the kind of company that like absolutely delights people with their product purchases. And, you know, I know everyone always looks at Nordstrom as a great example of customer service. And so I was kind of starting to think along those lines. I was like, you know, if somebody spills coffee on their planner or water, or just, you know, disaster strikes to the planner, you accidentally like run over it with your car, which I've done before. It's been a long time, but I did I had old planner accidentally did that with. So devastating. Anyway, I want to be able to replace it. And we've done this before. Like it's something that we've always kind of done on the down low. If somebody spills water on their planner and they email us and they're bummed about it, we're like, not a big deal. Like, they'll send a picture, you know, and we're just like, here, well, we still have stock. We'll send you a new one. And so we decided to formalize this little customer service initiative idea thing. I gotta let the dog outside. We're calling it the Planner Replacement Guarantee, TM. And as long as we have the planner, your planner in stock, you can pay, if you will pay shipping, we will, if something happens to your planner and you send us a picture, you pay shipping, we send you a new planner, a duplicate of the one you had, so you can start fresh. Because we just all know how there's nothing wrong with starting over, starting with a clean slate. And sometimes we just all need that in life. So don't go like spill water on your planner or anything like that. But should it happen, heaven forbid, we want you to know that we're the kind of company that has your back. And as long as we have your specific planner in stock, we will replace it for free. Love you guys. Mean it.